What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I am getting fired up about Castle Crash. We've got a Castle Crash video contest that anyone can enter. This is not just for people that came last year. Anybody can gather footage from Castle Crash or about castles or anything that you think would be awesome to help promote Castle Crash. Get your videos together, post them online on your YouTube or your Instagram or wherever, and then submit a link in my bio. My bio's got a link to the submission form, and if you submit, you got a chance to win big. We're giving away a ton of prizes. An RVS MotoX 5. This is a slam deck 5-inch basher frame from Canada. Thank you, RVS. This is a Hack RC 30 amp ESC from Destination FPV. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 25 bags of ethics props, lots and lots and lots. HQ props, lots and lots of props from HQ. Also, we've got a set of motors, Hypetrain 4S motors. There's a full set of 4 motors going into the giveaway. So we want everybody to get their shit together and submit. And then, of course, if you haven't already, come out and get your tickets. September 1st through 4th in South Carolina. This event is only $50 for 4 days of flying and camping and droning. It's going to be so much fun. Come out and see us and check these videos out. It's going to be dope.